Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and welcome to another airgun in Airsoft Vlogging. So by the way, shout out kay Sir Benny Hosana. Okay, so ang ating i-review ngayon at i-unbox is the airgun revolver. So this is the Legends S25 airgun revolver pellet version by Umarex. So as you can see, this is the box. Airgun Legends Revolver S25 CO2 airgun. So this is CO2 powered using ang bala niya is 177 pellets, all metal, double and single action, 6 rounder capacity pellets. Okay, so this is Umarex brand. Yan. Okay. So ito yung kanyang specs. Ayan, caliber 177 pellets, 6 rounder, power source is CO2, velocity up to 110 meters per second. Yung sight niya is naka-fixed front, yung rear niya is adjustable, trigger is double and single action with manual safety. Yung kanyang barrel is rifled. Okay, meron siyang rifling, yung groove. Ayan. Dangerous area up to 300 meters. Yung bigat niya is almost 1 kilo. Tapos yung length niya is 210 mm. Yan. So it comes with, of course, the owner's manual. Yan. So ito siya. This is 2.5 inches barrel. Meron ding 4 inches barrel, then meron din 6 inches barrel. Pero yung available natin is the 2.5 inches barrel. And also comes with the German Engineering Safety and Maintenance Manual. And also comes with the speed loader. And also comes with the tactical railing para pwede mo siyang lagyan ng red dot sight katulad nito. Yan. Okay. So this is the unit. Legends S25 caliber 4.5mm or 177 pellets. This is color silver. So ito yung sight niya na adjustable. So adjustable siya windage and the elevation. So this is single and double action with safety. Ayan yung safety niya. Yan yung open. Pag i-open nyo yung chamber, push nyo lang po. Then, hold. Then, ito, tulak. Yan. So, this is the shell. Para siyang plus P na bala. Yan. Kulay silver. Mamaya, tuturo ko pa sa inyo paglo-load ng pellets. Then, ito naman, yung safe. Yan. Push backward, safe. Okay. Yung barrel po nito ay merong groove, naka-rippling, hindi lang kita sa camera yan. Pero meron yan groove. Okay, rifled barrel. Color silver, ito yung CO2, lagayan ng CO2. Ayan. Compact lang siya. Okay, and syempre, may kasama siyang bala. So, I'm using the Umarex 500 shots Jackal. This is .177, 0.53 grams, almost 1 gram. 8.20 grains. Mabigat siya. Okay, pointed pellets. Yan. So, may kasama na siyang 500 shots pellets. So, pag-load ng pellets, dito lang sa may rubber. Yan. Kaya nyo lang po siya ipapasok. Make sure lang na walang nakalabas na pellets. So, may free siyang silicone oil. Pwede nyong lagyan ng oil itong part na to sa rubber. So, ganun lang po ang paglo-load ng pellets sa shell. So, meron din tayong shell na available. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng shell, meron po tayo. Extra shell. Yan. Ganun lang. And then, load tayo ng CO2. So, may kasama na rin po siyang 5 perasong CO2. Paglo-load ng CO2, kahit hindi natanggalin yung grip. So, this is full metal pala. Full metal po siya. Then, lagay tayo ng oil. Every time po na mag-load kayo ng CO2, patakan nyo po ng oil. Okay, so kailangan mabilis lang po yung pagpihit ha. Yung tamang higpit lang po. Okay? Patestingin lang natin, wala naman siyang load. Okay. Then, load natin yung shell. So, you can also use this speed loader. Okay, Sir Benny, testing. Umarex Airgun Legends S25. Okay, testing. 3 shots for single action, then 3 shots for double action. Single action. Okay, double action. 3 shots. Yun. Okay. So again, this is the Umarex Airgun pellet version Legends S25.